Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 914, and today's topic is in continuation of natural or plant insecticides part 2. In part 1 I have already discussed some of the plant based extracted or isolated insecticides from plant material, and here some few again I am going to discuss those insecticides which are isolated from plant sources. And first one is Paratherium plant flower, and from this Paratherium flower, Parathrin and Elathrin, these two chemical constituents, they are non-nitrogenous chemical constituents. They are isolated with a suitable solvent, and mostly people are extracting this parathrin or elathrin by kerosene oil, or you can use suitable petroleum product to extract from the flower. And sometimes without extraction, some people they will just dry the flower under shade, ground it, make it fine powder, and that powder they will spray. It is very toxic and it will affect the nervous system of the insects, and in this way the insect will be damaged. And this compound, that is parathrin or elathrin, they are not poison to warm-blooded animals like human beings. And what are warm-blooded animals? Those animals which are having 4 chamber of heart, they are known as warm-blooded animals. And the one which are having 2 chamber heart means one auricle and one ventricle, they are known as cold-blooded animal like fish. So it is a fish poison. So fish can be killed by this. It is toxic but not for us. And then the other ketone is isolated from one root that is known as rotenone. That is also highly toxic, and that root either it is powdered or rotenone ketone is isolated, and then it is used. And this your parathrin or elathrin, they are actually oleinous resin. They are resinous mass once it is isolated, and then it is processed, and in powder form it is sold in the market to use it. So here the manufacture of natural or plant insecticides, number 1, that is parathrins. If I say parathrins, means there are different type of non-nitrogenous esters which are present in parathrum flowers. That's why it is called parathrins. The flowers of parathrum plant contains toxic non-nitrogenous organic esters called parathrins, and the compressed flowers are broken up, ground to fine powder, and the powdered flower material are then extracted several times with kerosene oil or other organic solvent. The extract is concentrated by recovery of the solvent in vacuum at below 60 degrees centigrade temperature, and the resulting oleoresin, because it is oleoresinous mass, the poisonous insecticide, oleoresin is used to prepare the finished insecticide. It is quick knockdown powder against flies, and it is non-toxic to warm-blooded animals like man. The activity of parathrins has been found to be associated with the 4 non-nitrogenous organic esters, and 2 are known as pyrethrine and cynerine. So pyrethrine and cynerine, they are the most active constituent as an insect killer. And number 2, that is known as rotenone. Rotenone is obtained as poisonous principle from the roots of the dairies plants and other tropical and subtropical plants. The rotenone is obtained by the extraction of powdered dairy roots with chloroform or with carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4. The solvent is removed and residue is dissolved in acetone. They are also used as fish poison, and they are not poison for warm-blooded animals like us, I mean human beings, and it is effective stomach and contact poisons. If I say stomach and contact poison, means these insects digestive system will be totally paralyzed, and contact means their respiratory system. So it is totally damaging the insects digestive system and respiratory system, including nerves. Number 3, this one is alethrin. Alethrin is also non-nitrogenous oleoresin, and in the similar way it is extracted from powdered flower of alethrin plant. So this alethrin, the flowers of pyrethrum plant contains toxic non-nitrogenous ester, is called alethrin. It is very identical to pyrethrin. The compressed flowers are ground to powder and extracted several times with kerosene oil. The solvent is removed at 60 degree centigrade temperature, and the resulting oleo resin is used to prepare the insecticide. Alethrin has also been found to be effective against insects resistant DDT. This is very important to note that this alethrin is effective to those insects which are resistant to a very common insecticide that is known as DDT. It is quite effective on flies but not on other household pests. It is used as dust, as kerosene sprays, with activators, and as aerosols containing 0.1 to 0.6% of alethrin. So with this I will stop, and with this your plant-based or plant insecticide, we call it natural insecticide, is over. And in the next lecture I am going to start the organic insecticides. And if I say organic insecticides, means it is synthetic organic compounds, and they are known as organic insecticides. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.